Hi, I'm Ray. Every video on this channel, the writing, the voice, the visuals, the editing, is produced by a system I built with Claude, running mostly on my own Mac. No production team, no studio. I want to show you exactly how. Because if you run a business and make content, you can probably do a version of this too. Here's the honest shape of it. I don't ask Claude to make me a video. I built a small local program, I call it RAYCast, that breaks video making into 10 or so steps. Write the script, draft a config, generate the footage, generate my voice, sync my avatar to the audio, add captions, build a thumbnail, write the YouTube description. Claude and I built that program together. Once, now it mostly runs itself. The hardware is a single Mac Studio with 64 gigabytes of memory, not a server farm. That matters because I run real AI models locally, speech to text, voice cloning, and a lip sync model all on my own machine, for free, with no data leaving my computer except the one paid step I'll explain next. For the actual video footage, the office scenes, the B-roll, I use a Chinese platform called Huasheng. It's a paid stock and AI generation service. I feed it a scene description and it returns broadcast quality footage I couldn't otherwise afford to shoot. That's the one place real money changes hands per video, and it's worth it. Now, the Claude side. Claude Anthropic's coding assistant is what I use to build and fix the automation itself, not to generate every video by hand. That distinction saves me a huge amount of usage. Claude wrote the scripts that talk to Huasheng, that run my local voice model, that stitch the final video together. Once those scripts exist, running an episode doesn't need Claude at all. It needs my computer. Where Claude actually gets used per episode is judgment calls. Is this script any good? Does this thumbnail make someone want to click? Does this take look natural? The mechanical, repetitive 90% waiting for renders, checking file formats, retiming clips, that's all automated. I only spend Claude's time on the 10% that needs a human plus AI decision. If you're not technical, here's the takeaway. You don't need to learn to code to benefit from this. You need someone, could be Claude directly, could be a developer you hire for a day to build you a small number of repeatable steps once. After that, the ongoing cost is mostly your paid tools, not ongoing engineering. I'm sharing this because I think a lot of small teams overpay for video production or skip video entirely because it feels like it needs a studio. It doesn't. It needs one clear process built once and reused every week. If you'd want to do something like this for your own channel or business, drop a comment. I'm happy to share more of what's under the hood if there's interest.